Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what are the common mistakes that we do in a Java web application and how to rectify them. Before that, why it is occurring. Common mistakes that we do while creating a Java application and how to fix them. All right. So let's get back to this program. Now, in this program, I have a login.html from where I'm going to a hello servlet, and hello servlet is mapped in web.xml. To understand how to create all this, please refer to my previous videos. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my server. So that is the first thing you have to do, because if there is any mistake in starting the server, then there's no point in running your application, right? So let us run the server first. Okay, the server has started. Just keep on having a check on web.xml. See, if you see my web.xml, there is an error. See, always your web.xml should be free from any errors. It should be a valid XML file. So when you see some red marks like this in web.xml, please fix them first. So here I'm saying this is an extra character what I'm getting. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to save this. So this is the first thing what we have to do when we start our web application. Please get into web.xml and see if your XML file is a well-formed XML file, if there are any errors in the XML file. Okay, so we are done with that. Since we have made changes to web.xml, we need to restart our server. Your server should start without any problem. As you see here, it says server startup. Sometimes even this will not happen. So in that case, we need to go and check where we have gone wrong. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to execute my login.html, which I already have here. I'm going to enter something. Now I'm going to say login. Oh, so I'm getting an error here which says that there is an error instantiating the class com.servlets.hello servlet. So it's trying to instantiate hello servlet. That is a servlet what you have created here, but it is not able to create an instance for this. What could be the reason? The reason is any servlet you create has to be configured inside web.xml. This is what we have done here. Now just go and check how you have configured the hello servlet. See the class name. You need to be careful with the spelling. See the spelling here. It is saying com dot servlets. That is what is looking for. But here we have misspelled it. So this we need to change it. Save it. Close this. Now we need to rerun this. Now I'm going to enter something. Now it's executing. So there's no problem. the program now. I made some changes to login.html. I'm going to run this again. Oops, it's not running now. What is the reason? And what is the status here? The HTTP status it's showing as 404, which means you have somewhere given HS where H is capital. It's trying to run a servlet whose URL pattern is capital HS. It is not able to get that. Where do we find this error? Go to web.xml again. Just check what is the URL mapping for hello servlet. It is small hs. So that is where we have gone wrong. So where do we fix it? Yeah, see here the action is capital HS. It has to be HS here. So go back, execute this, log in. Yes, it's working now.